The High Court, in our view, was clearly in error in holding that the appellant not having filed a memorandum of cross objections in terms of Order 21, Rule 22 of the Code, could not challenge the finding of the trial court that the suit was not barred by Order 2nd Rule 2 of the Code. The respondent in an appeal is entitled to support the decree of the trial court even by challenging any of the findings that might have been rendered by the trial court against himself. For supporting the decree passed by the trial court, it is not necessary for a respondent in the appeal to file a memorandum of cross objections challenging a particular finding that is rendered by the trial court against him when the ultimate decree itself is in his favor. A memorandum of cross objections is needed only if the respondent claims any relief which had been negatived to him by the trial court and in addition to what he has already been given by the decree under challenge. We have therefore no hesitation in accepting the submission of the learned counsel for the appellant that the High Court was in error in proceeding on the basis that the appellant not having filed a memorandum of cross objections, was not entitled to canvass the correctness of the finding on the bar of Order 2nd Rule 2 rendered by the trial court. We also see considerable force in the submission of learned counsel for the appellants that the High Court has misconceived the object of Order 30, Rule 33 of the Code and has erred in invoking it for the purpose of granting the plaintiff bank a decree. This is a case where the suit filed by the plaintiff bank had been dismissed by the trial court. The plaintiff bank had come up in appeal. It was entitled to challenge all the findings rendered against it by the trial court and seek a decree as prayed for in the plaint from the appellate court. Once it is found entitled to a decree on the basis of the reasoning of the appellate court, the suit could be decreed by reversing the appropriate findings of the trial court on which the dismissal of the suit was based. For this, no recourse to Order 30, Rule 33 is necessary. Order 30, Rule 33 enables the appellate court to pass any decree that ought to have been passed by the trial court or grant any further decree as the case may be required, and the power could be exercised notwithstanding that the appeal was only against a part of the decree and could even be exercised in favor of the respondents, though the respondents might not have filed any appeal or objection against what has been decreed. There is no need to have recourse to Order 30, Rule 33 of the Code, in a case where the suit of the plaintiff has been dismissed and the plaintiff has come up in appeal claiming a decree as prayed for by him in the suit.